Everyone, this is Audapostrophe again with Lollipop Chainsaw.
Yes!
Again, this version is on the Xbox 360, but you can get the version on the PlayStation 3 if you have one of those systems. And actually, next time we'll play, we'll switch platforms to the PlayStation 3. Just to do a little compare and contrast. They're largely the same. Their lighting model's a little bit different on the PlayStation 3. So it doesn't quite look as murky as it does on the Xbox 360. But the kind of darker mood lighting it seems like it's on purpose. So I don't know if it's really a positive or minus. There's a hair more loading on the PlayStation 3 too.
Juliet, I'm not sure I can do this. Just being ahead.
But there's a lot of cool things about being ahead. First of all, I can put you in a bag and sneak you into movies for free!
That hardly makes up for...
Carpal tunnel syndrome? You're immune. And it's totally cool! I'm like the only girl with a decapitated head for a boyfriend.
I don't want to be a fashion accessory, Juliet. This is my life. Is that rain?
Uh-oh.
Hello, Skrellings! Lots of tasty treats for you here, eh, you meal?
I'm guessing a giant floating Viking ship is not a good thing.
Another dark purveyor. Oh my gosh. That's my big sister, Cordelia.
Who?
My big sister, Cordelia. She's a zombie hunter, too.
Really?
Hey! Cordelia! Can you hear me? Hey! What's up, Juliet?
Hey, Cordelia! What's up?
See you in a few! Right now, I'm gonna go kick some zombie ass! Oh yeah! I almost forgot! Can't hear you!
God, I'm happy I don't have a bladder. Otherwise I'd be pissing myself right now.
Press right button to start the chainsaw dash.
Check out this new trick, Nick. It's called the Chainsaw Dash.
Wait, stop! It makes me dizzy! Ah! Watch the eyes! to now?
Most importantly, I want to find my birthday present my sister dropped. Secondly, I want to save my sister's life.
Well, you have your priorities straight.
I know! Yay! Let's get to the roof of the school and find that floaty boat. Explosions are such a cliche.
Felt that in my spinal stub.
Chainsaw Dash! Chainsaw Dash! Let's go! Quarterback's a zombie!
Kill him anyway.
Zombies taste my chainsaw dash!
Hope to see my pet cat Fluffy in heaven.
There's Major! The World Series parade!
Okay! I hate it when everyone turns into zombies, but it's also kind of fun because I get to do stuff like jump on a fire truck.
It is fun! It makes me forget that most of my friends are dead.
The best calories.
Be careful, Juliet. This place is falling apart.
All right, shopping.
I wonder what they have. What should I get? Click, click. That's it, that's it! Click, click.
Let's buy some more skills.
What should I get? Let's go!
Just the more varied the skills you have, then it's the more likely you'll get more money per attack. So if you can string together more complex attacks, then you'll also kill more zombies at the same time, therefore giving yourself more money.
You're gonna be fine, ma'am.
Whoa, it's like backtrap, rabies.
Hold on, victim dude. I'm coming to help.
I couldn't quite get them together, but oh well.
I need a girlfriend.
Oh, all the people that ever say things like that, like I need a girlfriend or I need a boyfriend, they're the ones that definitely should not have them. You know, you gotta be happy with yourself before you can love someone else.
What's your favorite color, Nick?
Blue? No, green.
Awesome. I love learning about you.
I fucked up. It's yellow.
Charge down. I'm gonna fist my ass with your head.
All these small fires are dangerous, but kind of atmospheric and romantic. Don't you think, Nick?
Yeah, but I think we need to stay focused.
I know. It wasn't like I was gonna make out with you or something.
I didn't know what you meant.
Do you want to have babies someday, Nick?
I think that's rather irrelevant, considering my situation.
I don't know. You could take a skin sample and put it in a petri dish and use magic to grow a baby.
Well, maybe.
Cool. There's a 50% chance it will be a cannibal. It's a party! Cool! That body will do. Please, Nick.
What am I gonna do, say no?
Let's pop you on this.
Wow.
What? Awesome, Nick. You're the best.
Let me take care of this, Juliet. I'll just raise my fist and... Ah!
Nice.
I think this relationship that Juliet and Nick have it's, it's actually really great. Yeah, at the time there was Mass Effect that was out, which was trying to do romance with some pretty generic characters.
How long have you been a zombie hunter?
Forever. I killed my first zombie at 6 months old with a sharpened rattle.
And somehow it doesn't manage to, or that game never managed to accomplish much as this game, showing a really close relationship between main character and her boyfriend.
Here to help you. You're gonna be fine.
I see the cat reference.
That's the parachute from Cordelia's present.
And again, listen to this great music by Akira Yokoma. I mean, from Silent Hill to this, it's amazing.
Shopping just makes me feel better about myself. Time for Chainsaw Dash again.
Drive carefully, okay?
Time to shop.
Crazy way it thrills me, tell you why. Just like the lightning from the sky.
What should I get?
Kiss me till I can't see straight. Gee, my lollipop is great. I call him Lollipop, Lollipop, oh lolly, 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 lollipop.
Click, click.
Oh lolly, 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 lollipop, lollipop.
Don't have quite enough for any health, so let's look at our possible skills.
Click, click. I found something. Let's go. Let's go. Chainsaw Dash. Okay.
Oh my god, that rocks!
Your goal.
Julia, you have to be careful.
Saw Dash. I'll show you another trick Sensei taught me, Nick. It's called the big jump. Hold on.
Hold on with what?
Zombie basketball. Time your killing of zombies. How many points can you rack up?
You're talking about glory.
It seems like a one-sided game.
Oh, I'm great at basketball. Let's put the round thing in the goalpost, Nick.
That's a basket.
3 points. 3 points.
Where'd all those
Wow,
rainbow things
what a
when you cut out
turnaround.
those zombie in
The
half come
zombies
from?
are getting slaughtered. Incredible game, Juliet. Can't wait to see you in action again.
Let's go! Strawberry's my favorite! Wow!
Loving it!
Pop it! Another big jump. Hold on with your teeth, Nick.
Okay.
Chainsaw dash! Yay!
Awesome.
Cool! All right!
Oh my god, that rocks!
Cool! Ow! You bit my butt!
Sorry.
I don't know what it was with Suda in the years that these were developed, because making two games with two different protagonists and two different disembodied heads. But I like it.
Running zombies? Fucking stupid.
Yeah, what kind of idiot would come up with that? Knockout!
No, not close enough.
with all this crazy stuff.
What the dick?
It's my new phrase I invented.
Go, die, zombie scum! Ready? Okay. Undead, we slay. You all suck and we are great. DD, decapitate. UGLY, wake up, it's time to die.
Oh no! My squad has joined the zombies!
Man, this used to be so hot. Now she has an intestine coming out of her vagina. Ugh. Holy, we better get out of here.
Okay, that was sad killing my friends, but also so fun!
I need another tampon.
Girls in Kenya have big butts.
Oh my god! Easter egg! Oh.
Boo! Yay.
Oh.
Alright! Cool kick out! Totally awesome! God, I love shopping. Check this out.
A donkey fruit crepe.
Click, click.
I don't know if it's made with real donkey.
Well,
Juliet, it's Cordelia. Just a tip, sis, but you're moving around too much as you hunt zombies. From a distance, use your homing attack. When they get close, rush in for the kill. It's kind of common hunter knowledge, but you know.
let's go! Nick, it would be really cool if I could implant an MP3 player in your forehead. A boyfriend and an iPod all in one. More room in my purse.
You realize that's completely degrading, right? Yes! Oh, feels great to have legs again, even if they are really slow.
6, 7, 8. Flame. 9, 10. Nickman, we hear it. We hear it. Yeah, yeah. God, Nick, that was so hot. Let's go! Big jump! Woohoo!
Ah, I hate this! They're right that lightning doesn't strike twice. It strikes like 18 times.
Chainsaw death! The best calories!
More firefighters to the rescue. We'll rescue everyone!
Chainsaw
like singing It's Raining Men?
That would be funny, Nick. Time to kill these efforts.
Can't get this Katy Perry song out of my head. Oh, what a terrible way to die.
Yay, my present! What do you think it is, Nick?
Well, I hope it's a torso and legs and stuff. Not a dick.
I see the ship.
Nice jump. Oh, I can't wait for you to shoot the fuck out of stuff with this.
Cordelia's like the best big sister ever. Chainsaw Blaster!
Zombie baseball. Aim and shoot at the approaching zombies. Can you score a winning home run? The game starts with the home team losing by an overwhelming amount of runs.
Hold left trigger to aim the chainsaw blaster. Hold
Give my new
right trigger to fire.
a test run. Chainsaw Blaster.
Ah! You shot him instead of throwing a ball at him. That's hilarious. Sweet shot.
Bottom of the ninth, Juliet Starling at bat.
Looks like they want to play ball. Awesome.
Here I go. Woo!
You're not getting in the way of my Nick.
Yeah.
I'll Ted Williams your face.
Another hit!
Chainsaw Blast.
Oh man, this is fun.
Yeah!
Blast.
What is Godspeed?
Chainsaw Blaster. Looking good. Pop it. Awesome.
Yeah.
Check out that form.
Chainsaw Blaster.
Woo! This rocks.
team captain.
Yeah!
Well, the game's over. Guess that bomb's gonna go off. While you're blown into a million fucking pieces, think we'll wrap things up in the booth. See ya!
Oh.
My solar plexus.
Juliet, I love you, baby. Always.
The aiming's a little touchy, even though it does do a snap-on. So again, it's harder than it looks, and I am not good at games.
Zombie baseball! Aim and shoot at the approaching zombies. Can you score a winning home run?
Then again, games should
The
give
game
you some
starts with the
challenge.
home team losing by an overwhelming amount of runs.
Let's give my new present a test run.
You shot him instead of throwing a ball at him. That's hilarious.
Blaster.
Sweet shot.
Blaster! Rad!
Bottom of the ninth, Juliet Starling at bat.
Looks like they want to play ball.
Here I go. Woo!
You're not getting in the way of my Nick. Team Cell Blaster.
I'll Ted Williams your face.
Team Cell Blaster. Team Cell Blaster.
Check out that form.
What does mean?
Team Cell Blaster.
Another hit!
Blaster.
My machines don't fail me now.
Cool. Blaster.
Yes.
Blaster. All right. Cool.
Yeah.
Chainsaw Blaster.
Yes! Victory! Looks like zombie baseball has its own Babe Ruth, and she's a real babe.
I should do this all day, but I think we better move on.
Yeah, I guess we should find my sister.
I think the ship went over to the school's unrealistically gigantic swimming pool.
Totally. Let's go.
Juliet, Mom, can you believe Cordelia wants to buy a motorcycle? Oh, there is no way. Those things are death traps. Bad enough your dad has one, and the same goes for you.
Don't try that at home, kids. A chainsaw to a vending machine will not magically drop coins for you.
I wonder what they have.
Well, I mean, it might, but it's not a guarantee. Still, don't do it.
Click, click. What should I get? That's it! Okay then. Cordelia! What? Juliet! There's something on you. No, Cordelia! That's just my boyfriend, Nick.
Oh, hey, Cordelia. How's it going?
Hey, he's cute.
Thanks.
Ouch.
The whole no body thing is cool. I won't have to worry about gaining weight. Food would just fall out of my neck.
OMG! Then I wouldn't be as gross and fat as I am now.
I don't want chewed food falling out of my neck. That's disgusting.
Bye-bye, Skrelling! Onward to further victory!
Juliet, execute maneuver 54V. Right. 1, 2, 3! Good luck, sis! And you too, cute head boyfriend whose name I forget. If it isn't the Pirates of the Jerkopian!
You've got a lot of gall setting foot on me ship, Stelpa.
Getting a little seasick.
All right, boys. Ymir, let's cut this bit into bite-sized chunks. I'm gonna use her space to make a hat, and use her spine as a back scratcher. Let's show her the Viking way! Ha 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 ha! We are Viking, short and stout. We like to drink and fuck, fuck, fuck.
Chainsaw Blasters! Chainsaw Blaster. Blaster. Team Cell Blast. Now it's Team Cell Blast.
Zombies aren't bad enough. Now we have to worry about lightning? Electrocution would be a sucky end to my day. from him when he's charging up. Use the blaster.
Chainsaw blaster!
Lightning has always freaked me out.
Chainsaw blaster!
Oh, you got a lot of gall, little girl. Don't tell me that's it.
Chainsaw blaster!
I am not in the mood to be deep fried.
I feel the power of the gods in my blood.
Chainsaw blaster!
What the fuck's with the pet bear? Hit him with the blaster from far away. Finish him!
Impossible! I can't be beaten by a little girl! I'm a warrior!
I hear Viking brains are good for the complexion. Whoa! No! Stop!
What? This bites my non-existent balls.
Okay then.
Woo!
Totally awesome!
A last lap for continues. Alright, why don't we call that for the night? For Lollipop Chainsaw. This has been audap, and again, you have been watching Lollipop Chainsaw. This version's on the Xbox 360, but it's also available for PlayStation 3. They are physical copies. They digital versions don't exist for sale on the systems.